prescription from the Philippines. So, i-check natin kung tatanggapin ba nila yun or hindi. Pero most probably tatanggapin naman nila yun. Do you think they will accept my prescription from the Philippines?
I don't know.
So, i-check namin. Tapos, i-check din namin kung nag-accept sila doon ng insurance. And then, may mga bibilhin din kami sa Walmart. Mga toiletries lang. So, yun ang aming agenda for today. Sira! Say hi! Hello, kisses! Ay! Patala lang si baby. Tingnan niyo yung snow. Ayan, ang aftermath 2 days after ng snow slash ice slash storm. Mag-riding pala kaming i-check kung meron na silang salt dahil nga super icy dun sa harapan namin. Hirap na hirap ako lumabas. Talagang alalay na alalay si Mr. Kaya ang bagal namin pagka papunta dito sa car kasi nga super madulas. Kaya sana sana hindi na sila out of stock sa salt. Nagpapagas si Mr. Ito yung dito lagi nagpapagas si Mr. kasi gusto niyang i-support yung mga small businesses. Sabi niya kasi ito daw gas station na to, mula nung bata pa siya, andito na tong gas station. And ito daw yung pinakaunang gas station dito sa town kung saan siya lumaki. Baby! Sa totoo lang, ayoko talaga, ilang beses ko na yung sinasabi, ayoko talaga mag-aral mag-drive kasi nga, natatakot ako. And, kaya sobrang natagalan din bago ako talaga nakapag-decide kung mag-aaral ako o hindi. Pero parang walang choice or walang option dahil nga dito kami sa countryside nakatira. And, dahil nga dito kami sa countryside nakatira and walang public transportation. So, kailangan mo talaga matuto mag-drive. Lalo na sa situation namin, si Mr. Regional truck driver, lagi siyang wala, hindi lang din Zeta. So, pag may emergency, importante talaga na marunong mag-drive. Right, going. Nililinis ni Mr. yung mga ice. Dami kasi. Tapos, ayun. So, yun yung unang step na sabi ko kay Mr. Kailangan kong kumuha muna ng aking eyeglasses kasi meron akong astigmatism and sobrang malala ang aking astigmatism. Lahat ng mga ophthalmologist, optometrist na nakikita yung prescription ko, sinasabi nila sobrang taas ng aking astigmatism and nakaka-apekto talaga siya sa vision ko, pati yung mga headaches, neck pain, ear pain, and then dizziness. Minsan iyon din yung source, kaya kailangan ko talaga siya, lalo na kung magdadrive ako. Pero most probably magdadrive lang naman ako pagka necessary, if it's necessary or kailangan. Are you done?
Did you see all that ice?
Yeah.
Can you imagine if it's a tractor trailer and the top of the trailer is covered in that? And
Yeah.
it's all flying off into all the cars behind you?
I know.
It happens all the time. And then I feel so bad, but the people, they just sit back there where all the ice is gonna hit. Instead of going way backwards or going way forward, they just sit right where the ice is gonna hit them because they're dumb.
Dito na kami sa Walmart. Kumuha pa rin kami ng cart. Hanap na kami ng lotion ni Zeta. Nakakuha na ako ng prenatal ko kasi naubos na. And then gua siya.
this is toxic, and she still rub it on her baby every day.
It's not toxic. That's Aveeno.
It might be toxic.
It's not toxic.
No idea.
She's been using that for a long time. It's fine.
Nobody knows what is and is not toxic.
Oh yeah, then...
But if you don't use it, then there's no worry.
Ay, nako. Zayda needs it. She needs moisturization in her skin. Sale na yung mga pang Valentine's na gift. $15 na lang. Ang lalaki ng bear. Try namin kung meron ng salt. Pero parang out of stock pa din. Tapos kitty litter. Para doon sa... ano, tawag dito? Sa snow down. Ewan ko kay Mr. kung saan yung gagamitin. What's that? Bear. You like the bear? Bear. Give the bear a big kiss. Mwah. Give the bear a big kiss. Choose, baby. What do you want? Zeta.
I don't want to do it. It's like, I already choose.
Baby, you choose. What do you want?
You choose it.
Oh, no. No? Kuha ako ng mga ng tumbler para ma-monitor ko yung aking water intake. Medyo mahal din siya. 240. So, ito ay $14. $14.97. So, ito na lang siguro. Malaki naman siya. Andito kami sa area kung saan andito yung mga ginagamit pag-bake. Kasi gagawa daw sa mister ng cookies. So, kumuha kami ng ganito. Cookies. Ayan. Tapos, meron pang kinukuha si mister doon. Walang masyadong tao ngayon kasi weekdays. Unlike pagka nag-grocery shopping kami weekends yun, Saturday or Sunday. Kaya madaming tao. Tapos na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart and nakapunta na din kami doon sa Walmart Vision Center. However, hindi ako nakakuha ng eyeglasses dahil yung ginamit kong prescription is yung prescription ko pa sa Philippines. Sabi nila, according sa law ng State of Connecticut, 2 years lang valid yung prescription. And kung ano, after 2 years na kung if it's more than 2 years, kailangan mong magpa-check up again sa eye doctor. Sa Philippines kasi wala namang ganun. Pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime, di ba? So, sabi ko kasi sa Philippines, hindi naman walang expiration yung ganito. Pakita mo lang siya and then yun, bibigyan ka na ng eyeglasses. So, sabi nila kailangan ko daw ulit magpa-check up sa eye doctor. Kaso yung kanilang eye doctor dito, every Friday lang sila. Every Friday lang siya available. Eh, wala si Mr. nun kasi nasa work nga siya. Kaya maghahanap kami ngayon ng ibang eye doctor para makapagpa-check up. And hindi ko alam kung babalik pa kami dito sa Walmart or baka dun naman kasi sa doctor na yun meron na rin silang mga eyeglasses. So, ayun. Unfortunately, wala pa akong eyeglasses. Andito kami sa Roberto's. Magla-lunch kami dito. Ito ang favorite restaurant ni Mr. Why is this your favorite restaurant?
Well, I used to work here when I was a little kid, so it has sentimental value. Two, it's got a very good menu. There's lots of things to choose from. 3, the food quality is always good. And you don't feel like they're stealing your money. A lot of the restaurant, you feel like, why am I paying for this? I don't want to pay money for this. This seems like a rip-off. I'm just getting ripped off over here. This is maybe the only place where we go and I don't feel like, oh, I just got robbed. Everywhere else we go, I feel like this is not worth the money. I could just cook for myself. It'd be a lot better. But I like this place. It's good.
Ayan. Gusto niya lagi dito kumakain. Eh, ako nagsasawa na ako. Pero this is a Mexican restaurant, right?
Well, no. It's an American restaurant. But when I started out, all the Mexicans, they live and work in the back. And then the Mexicans who live and work in the back eventually save up all their money, and then they bought the place, and now they live and work here, and they also own it. And over the time, in the process of them buying it to become the owners, they kind of shifted the cuisine over into the Mexican territory further and further. But it used to just be a pizza place mostly.
Okay. Ayan, kakagising lang ni Zayda. Ayan, pasok na kami dito.
I don't think she's having fun.
Tapos na kaming kumain dito sa Roberto's. Hindi na ako nakapag-video doon masyado sa loob kasi ang lakas ng music nila. Sobrang lamig, grabe. Nag-freeze yung kamay ko. Dami nakain ni Zayda.
Jesus, I gotta look under the...
Yung kinain namin kanina, ano lang, pizza at saka chicken wings. Tapos yung binayaran ni Mr. kasama na yung tip is $60. Do you think it's worth it? I know, it's gonna be worth it because that's your favorite restaurant.
Yeah, but did you take a picture of the food?
I did not because I was busy.
You're just telling them about the food?
Yeah. Ay, hindi ako nakapag-video na. Tapos pinapakain ko pa si Zayda. Ang dami talaga nakain ni Zayda, right? Zayda ate a lot.
Yeah.
Dumadami na siya kumain ngayon kasi syempre lumalaki na.
Is this the same lady who's out there?
I don't know. It's not a lady. Where are we going? Are we going home?
I hope so.
Tapos gagawa daw si Mr. ng cookies mamaya pagdating namin sa bahay. Is it your first time making cookies? Baking cookies?
I guess. Recently. Maybe done it in the past, but I wasn't very good at it, so I'm gonna try and do better this time. But I don't have any measurements, like I have to eyeball it.
Ay naku love, it's difficult. Baking needs to be precise and exact.
That's what women think.
It's not gonna be successful.
That's what
Sige, check natin mamaya. I-vlog ko yun. I'm gonna put it in the vlog. See what's gonna happen without the measuring cups and stuff. Nakauwi na kami dito sa bahay and ayan si Mr. Nagsisimula na siyang mag-bake ng cookies. Love, what's going on with your project?
I'm making chocolate chip cookies.
How is it?
I don't know how it is. When it's finished, we will know how it is.
So ito yung itsura ng kanyang cookies as of the moment. Walang ano yan, love, you don't have any, what's that, measuring tools, and then, what else do you need for baking?
The measuring tools is my brain.
The other one, the mixer. Wala din siyang mixer.
The mixer is this bowl and this thing in my hand.
Ayan. So, mano-mano. Tingnan natin kung anong kakalabasan ng cookies na ito. Kung masarap ba, kung okay ba yung texture, or kung palpak ang gawa ni Mr.
Are you making fun of me?
No.
What are you saying?
Secret. I'm just telling them we will know later once this is cooked or baked if you made it. It's too difficult. If you are successful with this project or if it's a failure. Pero mukhang okay naman, oh. Pero check natin mamaya. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong kakalabasan. And then, itatry ko din kung anong bang magiging lasa niya. But what do you think, love? Would you think this is a success or a failure?
Well, I think they're all gonna melt together because they make them too big and not enough space, and they're all gonna be like one. So that could happen.
But other than that, how about the taste? What do you think?
Well, I don't know. I don't think I used enough sugar. I used a lot of sugar, but I don't think it was enough. So, find out.
Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo mamaya.
I didn't want to use too much sugar. I was thinking maybe it's better to use less sugar.
Yeah, I cannot eat so much sweets.
But it's still a lot. It's just you're supposed to use like more than a lot. You're supposed to use a large amount.
So, sabi ni Mr. Let's take a peek sa kanyang obra maestra na
Are they
cookies.
brownish?
Not yet. It seems like it's not yet fully ready.
I ended up making fluffy, cakey cookies.
Sloppy. I'm gonna try it later.
They're gonna be like
So, balikan natin mamaya kung lagay ng kanyang binibake. So, ayan na yung gawa ni Mr. Itatry ko kung masarap ba. Don't focus on my face lang.
they're like dry.
No, but I mean the texture is okay. This is the texture that I want. So, depende din sa inyo kung ano bang texture ng cookies ang gusto niyo. Pero ito yung gusto ko. Hindi kaya siya masyadong matamis.
I wanted them to be moist and chewy, but they're like fluffy and dry.
This is the texture that I want. It's good because it's not so sweet. So, this is really meant for pregnant women like
I mean, they're pretty sweet.
It's not.
You'll taste it when you eat more of it. You'll see how sweet they are.
This is good for someone na hindi gumamit ng measuring stuff and mixer. Perfect.
Zeta. This is YouTube. I want to see this.
Your obra maestra. Say obra maestra. Tapos say obra maestra.
Obra maestra.
Yeah, that's your obra maestra.
I mean masterpiece.
Yeah. Tingnan naman natin ang reaction ni Zeta sa cookies na ginawa ng kanyang dada. Baby, try it! Come on, try it. Love, you have to, just get a piece and then give it to her. She won't be able to bite that.
Here.
Just a little.
Oh,
Try it, baby. Dali, try it. Ooh. Is it yum yum? Try it. It's too big.
It's not water, it's a cookie.
Try it. Shing shing, dali. Yan. Is it yummy? Yum yum? Mukhang nagustuhan naman ni Zeta. Kinakain niya. Is it yum yum, baby? You want more? You want more? Nagustuhan niya. Baby, you want more?
More.
Dito kami nakalupagi kami dito sa kitchen. So, ayun lang. Tatapusin ko na ang vlog dito. Maraming salamat po ulit sa pagsuporta sa aming YouTube channel at sa patuloy na panonood ng aming mga videos. Thank you so much for watching and see you again next time. Bye!